Welcome back to Speed Zone. Today, we're diving into the bold and beautiful 2025 Honda Civic in its sleek black finish. The Civic has always been about striking a balance between sporty styling and everyday practicality, and in black, it takes on an even more refined and aggressive personality. Let's start with the exterior. The black paint gives the Civic a stealthy, premium look that accentuates every sculpted bodyline. Its low-slung profile and wide stance make it feel more like a sports sedan than a compact daily driver. The gloss black front grille blends seamlessly with the LED headlights, creating a modern, cohesive face. The sharp daytime running lights and chiseled hood lines enhance its assertive presence on the road. Move along the side, and the Civic's aerodynamic silhouette becomes even more apparent. The blacked-out mirror caps and dark alloy wheels on the sport and touring trims complete the theme. At the rear, the smoked LED taillights, integrated spoiler, and dual exhaust tips give it a sharp and athletic finish. Step inside, and the cabin greets you with a mix of simplicity, elegance, and cutting-edge tech. The interior follows a clean horizontal layout, with a honeycomb mesh trim hiding the air vents for a minimalist look. Everything feels driver-focused, from the slightly angled infotainment screen to the perfectly placed controls. The black interior theme is carried through with contrast stitching and soft-touch materials. The 7-inch touchscreen is standard, while higher trims feature a larger 9-inch display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Digital instrumentation and customizable displays bring a modern, high-tech vibe. Comfort is key too, with well-bolstered seats and impressive rear legroom for a compact sedan. Under the hood, the 2025 Civic stays true to its legacy of balanced performance and efficiency. You get it too. 0-liter naturally aspirated engine with 158 horsepower or a 1.5-liter turbocharged unit with 180 horsepower. The turbo variant delivers strong acceleration and smooth highway cruising. All models come with a CVT that's tuned to be responsive without sacrificing fuel economy. Expect up to 42 miles per gallon on the highway, making it as efficient as it is stylish. With a history dating back to 1972, the Civic has become a symbol of dependability, innovation, and style. Now in its 11th generation, the 2025 model in black proves you don't need flash to turn heads. That's all for today on Speed Zone. Hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more deep dives into your favorite rides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.